I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's giving you another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we're back again with Cube. Yeah, man, back again with Cube. With something for the ladies, them. Not change entertainment, pick up yourself. Guys, that one is a juggling. That one is a juggling. So this one is the first one after the whole juggling. So to look out for the juggling. Enough more artists are going to the juggling. So you have people like Tatic, you have Summer, you have Tropics, you have 9 Yard Bass, you have 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, you have Alibaba, and the list goes on. Whole heap of artists up on the juggling. So I'm going to jump in and want to see what I go on, man, with Cube. Yeah, man. That me like. Something for the ladies, them. Blood clot, no. Let's go.
Me know you love when mother in your wall.
No bumper cloth, flabby double thing.
Like.
Mother she like.
And a timing.
Eh.
Where you say ready, moms. Alright, take off your jaws.
Hold on, the whole production team, big up on yourself. The whole production team, big up on yourself. Hold on, I will shoot the video. Creative Click, big up yourself, G. Cube! Not change entertainment.
That you like.
At that you like. Alright.
Where you say ready, moms. Alright, take off your jaws. Touch your toe, pass.
Instruction.
Skin it out from a 4 sitting. Now if you use boots, come and know you clean. Pussy good girl, you fi get a trophy feet. You know if you do it, you're bad for real.
Come on, me not fi use boots. Me a risk it for a biscuit to blood clot. Me not fi use no boots. All I get me know say you them underneath clean and the man not smell no horns and when them go there. Your song this. Instruction. Ladies, if your body have any body order, please go and see a doctor. Take your pH balance. Alright,
take off your jaw.
Instruction again.
Touch your toe, pass. Skin it out from a 4 sitting. Me nah fi use boots, cause me know you clean. Pussy good girl, you fi get a trophy feet. You know if you do it, you're bad for real. You know say no girl no inna your league. Pussy good, you fi get a trophy feet. Skin it out, me love how down in the field. Rotate pan the cocky fi me like a wheel.
Bumbleclad. Body in a bed, girl, your body in a bed. Big up all that girl, me know say you them bad in a bed and them bad pan the bumbleclad street too. Hey!
Me love how down in the field. Rotate pan the cocky fi me like a wheel. Baby, a bad for real.
Yeah.
That me like. Bad bitch on me type. Y'all where you vibe. Y'all when know for wine. Print up your pussy for me while you ride. You got the
bumbleclad, mama. A whole heap of thing your brain have to process, you know? Girl, you know for wine, quint up your pussy when you're rap. Hey, a whole heap of thing you're processing, mama. For your bad. You got it like that.
Your pussy for me while you ride. You got the perfect grip. You're not deep and wide.
Not you. Ladies, if it's not you, say not me. If you're not deep and white, say not me.
Print up your pussy for me while you ride. You got the perfect grip. You're not deep and wide. And that me like, y'all when you want for wine. Quint up your pussy for me while you ride. You got the perfect grip. You're not deep and wide. Y'all your pum pum a one of a kind.
Your pum pum not regular. Your pum pum not regular. Your pum pum scarce. Your pum pum a one of a kind, mama. Your pum pum unique.
Got the perfect grip. You're not deep and wide. Y'all your pum pum a one of a kind. Catch you feeling up on the side. When you say your pussy good, baby, I no lie. Make it twerk, mommy, do it one time. Make your body jar boom for me.
Now, Valley, I have enough girl. I say, yo, pussy good, pussy good, pussy good. No man not tell them. What the G tell us, say, mama, when you say your pussy good, when you say your pussy good, I never lie, I tell. I truth. Kiss it cross. Kiss it cross. God brought me the kind of green tree if I lie, I tell mama, pussy good for true. He good for true.
Twerk, make it twerk, mommy, do it one time. Make your body jar boom for me. Baseline. Fat pump body, so you get enough money. Me a beat up your fat boom boom like Tommy.
Blood clot. But for real, so you get enough money. Do like mangala. Money. Remember beat up a pussy like Jummy. Jummy.
Fat pump body, so you get enough money. Me a beat up your fat boom boom like Tommy. Don't move, me say move your hand. I'ma come stay in the blows and no curry.
Bumbleclad. A badness in him. Mama, don't move. Me say move your hand. Move your hand and take body. Take hold. Take hold. Huh? What you say? When me come, what you do? Stain up your clothes like curry.
Don't move, me say move your hand. From me come stay in the clothes and no curry. That me like, bad bitch I'm a type. Girl where your vibes, girl when no for wine. Print up your pussy for me while you ride. You got the perfect grip, you're not deep and wide.
Yo, any girl who can't relate to that song, there's something wrong with the body. Something wrong with the pH balance, something wrong with the hole, something wrong with the hole, there's something wrong with every blood clotting on the body. All that girl them represent.
Print up your pussy for me while you ride. You got the perfect grip, you're not deep and wide. And that me like, girl you know for wine. Print up your pussy for me while you ride. You got the perfect grip, you're not deep and wide. Girl you pum pum a one of a kind.
Yeah.
One of a kind.
One of a kind.
Girl you are one of a kind. One of a kind. One of a kind. That me like. Yeah, that me like.
Cement soup them girl I drink, brother. A cement soup them girl I drink cube. Them tick like a blood clot.
That me like. Skinny thought from a 416. Me nah fi use boots, cause me know you clean. Pussy good, girl, you fi get a trophy feet. You know fi do it, you bad for real. You know si say no girl, no inna your league. Pussy good, you fi get a trophy feet. Skinny thought, me love how down in the field. Rotate pan the cocky fi me like a wheel. Baby, you bad for real. That me like, bad bitch I'm a type. Girl, where your vibes, girl.
That me like.
Print up your pussy for me while you ride. You got the perfect grip, you're not deep and wide. That me like, girl, you know for wine. Print up your pussy for me while you ride. You got the perfect grip, you're not deep and wide.
My claw, body does a tremble. Body does a shake like how the breeze them made a blow in a blood claw, Melissa, where you. Mama, your pussy no deep and wide like some of them broke there when me see on the Bumbleclaw road when me hurricane, Melissa. Pussy, little bit and tiny.
Print up your pussy for me while you ride. You got the perfect grip, you're not deep and wide. One of a kind.
One of a kind. Bad. Yeah, man, that one I first one I fight juggling, man. That one I go link in the comment section below. Yes, I go link in the comment section below. Creative. Bumbleclad. Big up yourself. Not change, big up yourself, G. What can I say? Cube run out wicked pan the rhythm. Yes. Cube run out wicked pan the rhythm. And from what? From the vibe of this rhythm, all I'm seeing is more girl track pan the juggling. Like me say, it's a juggling, remember? It's a juggling. There's more artists up on the juggling. So, we are going to react to all the juggling over here, so. So make sure say yo on a stay tuned. Drop a sub if you don't do that already now. Yes, I like me say I'm gonna drop a link down in the comment section. Yeah, go check it out. You see me? And subscribe to the G channel, see me. Tell me say Jamaica 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 game I said over there. Cube! Bumbleclad.
Stay I've got a call to watching a boss can make sure present for Jamaica 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍𝐍. You don't know.